Kamusta? This is a quick video on how to properly change the brake fluid and bleed the brake system of a Toyota Raize. I-park ang sasakyan on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, always start from the wheel farthest from the brake fluid container because air and the old fluid tend to accumulate at the longest brake line. In other words, ang gulong na pinakamalayo sa master cylinder ang may pinakamahabang brake line. Doon ay iipon ng hangin at lumang fluid. I'm using a 21mm deep socket and a breaker bar. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen the nuts. Gamitin ang wheel nut wrench, jack handle at scissor jack that came with the Raize to lift this side of the vehicle. Ensure that the jack stand is properly positioned. Tanggalin ang nuts at gulong. This is the brake bleeder. Remove its rubber cap like so. Ibabalik ko lang for now. Pull the hood latch and open the bonnet. Dito nakalagay yung brake fluid. Ito naman yung master cylinder. We will fill this with new fluid all the way up here, then flush out the old one until it reaches the minimum level mark. So magta-top up lang tayo ng bago, then papalabasin natin yung luma. Dot 3 ang recommended brake fluid. And we need to replace it every 40,000 kilometers or every 2 years, whichever comes first. And we need to inspect the level every 6 months. Punuin ng bago ang container, then put back the lid. This is an improvised brake bleeder bottle. It's an empty bottle with a cap. Preferably yung mga 690 ml na lalagyan ang kunin nyo. I used a knife to insert the plastic tube inside it. It's a regular nebulizer tubing that you can get from pharmacies or from online stores that we all hate and love. We'll connect the end of the tubing to the vehicle's bleeder screw in a bit. Add a small amount of new brake fluid to our improvised bleeder bottle and submerge the end of the tubing for it to act as a one-way seal. Nagawin natin to para hindi makapasok ang hangin at lumang fluid pabalik sa brake system. Loosen the bleeder screw slightly using an 8mm socket. I'm using a close-end ratchet wrench. Turn it counterclockwise, then attach the hose like so. Pump the brake pedal fully to the floor for 22 times. In my experience kasi, it took 22 continuous times to lower the fluid level close to the minimum mark without going below it. So pump it for 22 times para hindi na kayo pabalik-balik sa hood to monitor the fluid level sa reservoir. Remove the tubing and tighten the bleeder screw. Transfer at least 75% of the fluid to a separate container when the bottle is already full. Repeat the same process on the rear left, then on the front right. Finish with the front left as it is the closest to the brake fluid container. Don't forget to tighten the wheel nuts to 103 Newton meters. Top off the brake fluid slightly below the maximum mark. Test the brake pedal. It should feel firm. Pag hindi pa, just pump the brake pedal continuously. Finally, do a slow test drive and check the brakes. I hope marami kayong natutunan. Consider subscribing and supporting this channel. May God bless you. I'll see you soon.